In this video, we will compare Next.js versus Vite. Next.js and Vite are both popular tools in modern web development. However, they serve different purposes and excel in different areas. Next.js is a full-featured React framework that offers and builds in solutions for server-side rendering, static site generation, and API routes. It's ideal for building production-ready applications with features like automatic code splitting, optimized routing, and powerful image optimization. Next.js is suited for developers who need a robust framework that can handle everything from front-end to back-end logistics, making it a strong choice for large, dynamic websites or web applications. On the other hand, Vite is a fast, next-generation tool designed to provide incredibly fast development experiences. Unlike Next.js, Vite is a full framework, but rather bundler and development server. It focuses on fast, hot module replacement and extremely quick build times, thanks to its use of ES modules. Vite supports multi-framework, including React, Vue, and more, making it a versatile choice for developers who want lightning-fast development setups with minimal configurations. Vite is ideal for projects where fast development speed and simplicity are their primary concerns. In summary, Next.js is a complete, opinion-reactive framework and focuses on building and scalability. However, Vite is a lightning-fast building tool that optimizes the development experience for smaller projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.